Welcome back to Blackthorn Prod. I'm Noah. Now, up until quite recently, I thought that the Unity lights had no effect on absolutely environments. Now note that I'll be using Adobe Photoshop, but any 2D drawing application in Photoshop. I'll now create a second layer. What I must now do is parent and export as a PNG the simple character without the white overlay into my Unity project. I'll call it character. I'll then enable the white overlay and export that as a PNG into Unity. I'll call this lightmap. With the Photoshop part of the process complete, I'll drag and drop my character sprite into the scene view and create a simple point light. Of course, this light has no effect yet on our sprite. I'll now select the light map and change its texture type from sprite 2D and UI to normal map. I'll then toggle on the create from grayscale checkbox and reduce bumpiness to 0. I'll leave all the other settings to default and hit apply. Last but not least, I'll create a new Unity material and simply name it character matte. I'll set the shader type for this material to legacy shaders, transparent,
Oh crap, I've been muted. Whoops. That stinks. Well, I've been talking this whole time. That's fine. What we're gonna do is we've been downloading a post-processing stack for our Unity. Because we're using Unity this time. Oh, my neck. That felt so good. Might as well turn the camera on too. I don't want that frame. There you go. We'll stick it here. And then we'll also mess with the filters. Properties. There you go. We'll make it a little bit less. I don't want to be squished. I know I should have put this, messed with this beforehand, but well. There we go. Okay, camera time. Post process layer, yeah. We will. How does this work? Okay. Volume is what we want, I think. Yeah. We're gonna add some lens distortion to this. What is the camera seeing right now? I'm gonna push play and mess with the settings a bit. Okay, click on the camera. Click on that. Oh. Here we go. Okay, now we mess with this. I'm not seeing any difference. Oh, because it was off. I don't know what any of these do. Let's maximize it on play. Okay. I'm not seeing much of a difference. That's fine. Is it on now? Let's see. Might be on now. I can't tell a difference. Let's do one that we can tell, like color grading. Turn the lift all the way to blue, and then turn it way up. It should change something, but apparently not. Okay. Why is it not working? On. How do I know which one's on though? Ah. The camera has a layer. We want to get rid of that. Volume is global. And then we have this, which we'll remove. I'm not seeing the lens distortion. Although I gotta say it looks pretty good right now. Let's pretend that that's on. I mean, I need something straight. We got the I can see some, I guess. Can I crank it up to something above 100? Like 300? No. Okay. I'm not seeing any, okay. Priority, what's that? Higher value means higher priority. Negative values are supported, okay. Let's look more at our post-process. Main camera is a component. It should look up post-process layer in the add component. Okay. Set trigger to main camera. Oh, okay. We need to add the post-process layer and set trigger to main camera. Yeah, this. We'll need to set the layer on which this will take effect. It is recommended not to use the everything layer, so create a new layer and give it meaningful. Okay. Layer, new layer. Post. I can't even spell. Okay, there we go. And then we need to add it to that layer. There we go, post-processing. I'm also gonna do this now so I don't forget. We'll put the we need to put a new thing for snow just in case it'll mess something up later, right? There we go. We got a player layer and a ground layer that should be ground. There we go. And then we have, I'm gonna call foreground. We'll leave these on the default layer because whatever. Now that we know what layer it's on, add the process volume component. Click as global to true. You'll need to apply this globally. It's a beginner tutorial story covering the case where the post-process settings are global. In post-processing profile, this will specify the defaults for the post-process volume. Create this as an asset. With the volume, you can now add effects. Try not to overdo with effects to appear expensive. Okay. I'm not seeing it. Okay, let's switch the thing to on. Does that work? I can't notice it. Maybe it's whatchamacallit? I don't even know how to word it. The way in which they are here. I mean, there we go. I can't. Let's do grain, why not? I pretend it starts off as I have it overrides on intensity size. Okay. I'm gonna turn off maximize on played so I can mess with the settings and see what they do. Size. I can barely see some grain. How do I do that? Okay, game. Sorry. Maximize on play. We'll see if we can see grain. I don't know. Definitely seeing something. I can't tell. So let's add another effect. Gosh. And yet, that's gotta be chromatic effort. I can add that. Wait, where's that? Oh, that's my favorite one. Okay, we'll do I don't know. It's gotta start off on, right? Let's see. Post-processing isn't working. Unity. On your main camera, click add component and search for post-process. Create a post-process volume, try to play around with settings, but nothing has appeared. Tried adding vignette, adding an issue, but also didn't notice that project settings and quality. There's no point in pipeline. Quick setup has been done in order for you to start seeing the effects. Quick intro to what post-processing is basically effects applied to your camera to improve the visuals of the game, and therefore a camera setup has to be done before you can. On your main camera, click add component, search for a post-process layer. This defines what layer to display your post. Create an empty layer called volume, maybe assign layer to the object with your post-processing on. Then in the inspector of the main camera, just set the layer, that new layer you just created, and assign process to. Volume. Oh. Okay. You don't put that on that, you put it on. Okay, so we'll make an empty. Right? Post process volume. We'll see what that does. Blend distance. What does that do? Oh, nothing. Fudge. Why isn't it working? Okay, that's fine. Calm down. Universal render pipe. Oh, that's probably what I need. Okay, package manager. I forgot the URP. Universal render pipeline. An error occurred to add package. Okay. We'll see how this works. It didn't work before. There's no reason it should now, but might just be that 10.2.2 doesn't work. Was uploaded this month, so that would be it. Oh. Oh. Looks like it worked. Okay. Now I can change to the universal render pipeline because I think that might be the problem. That also might give me 2D lights that aren't like the other guy said. Oh, this is how you do 2D lights. This is how you do it. No, it's not. I'm gonna flip my camera. Can I do something though? Can, I don't want. Can I not just flip it? Well. Yep. There you go. Okay, so now that we have the render pipeline, we should be able to switch to. I'm going to delete that actually, because that's a failure. We should organize some stuff, so we'll create a folder. I call it so code. I was about to pronounce it sode. Come on, let me. There you go. Okay. And now materials and sprites is what we need. Okay. Mm. Mm. What has what in it? House is background is now. Things under are done. Um, did you not want to do any coding? Okay, I guess I'll do it. Hmm. What's left for me to do? Oh yeah, timer. Okay. I don't want it to be like an intrusive timer because I already like the way the game looks. But I forgot we were gonna do universal render pipeline. Click to toggle. I guess I can't. Use universal render. Okay. Okay. Getting started. The user universal render create a new URP project. If starting a new project from scratch is the best choice. Okay, install URP. If you have projects built in render pipe, you can still install your project. When you do this, you must configure URP. Convert or recreate parts. The shaders post processing effects. Custom post processing. Okay. Okay. When you install the URP, then you can recreate the okay. So it uses its own thing, so I have to go to Window, Package Manager, and remove post processing. Here you go. Okay. Then I also have to check on my main camera and other things to make sure that it's all gone too. Great, you're back. One minute, I'm gonna do some streamer magic to recreate what these people make me feel. 1 minute, let me copy the Is it removed? Yes, it's removed. Okay. Let's make the size bigger. That's a bit big. Let's mess with the properties of that. Let's just keep it here for a bit. Or we'll make it like a dark red because I'm seething with anger. Look at that. I don't want to get banned from Twitch though, so I won't keep it on for long. Gosh. That's how I feel. Such good streamer magic right there. Okay. I gotta watch what I say. Navigation, blah blah blah. Package manager. Select the all tab. This tab displays. Okay. Okay, in the editor, go to project window, create rendering. Create rendering. Reverse render pipeline. Pipeline asset. Okay, what just happened? There are two of them. Oh, there's the renderer and then to use URP, you need to add the new created to Unity. Okay. Okay. Okay, you must convert them to URP compatible Unity shaders. Using standard shader. Upgrading your shaders. How do you do that? Edit render pipeline, universal render pipeline. Okay, edit. Render pipeline, universal render pipeline. Upgrade project materials to repeat. Okay. Proceed. There's no upgrade there to convert. Okay. Great. Well, we can see if lights work now. Look at that. Okay, now I can do lights. Busy for 14 seconds. What? Stop. Come on, stop. There you go. Light. We'll just let it. What is it doing? I won't touch it then. Gosh. Is it not gonna? Okay. speed times. Okay. So that didn't end up working. But what if I do move, post, nope. Oh, post-processing, yeah. There we go, we changed that. Render on the camera. We can do, what is the stack? Add post-processing is just on. Dithering. Let's look at post processing in new view ERP. Okay. Wait, so I can just bloom, no. I guess I'm gonna have to mess with the materials here because trying to sprite 2D new. Wow. No, that's the texture. What? Means that is a oh. Particles? What? Okay. Particles. Unlit. What? Why is that? Particles, standard surface. That doesn't work. Particles, alpha blended. I guess that works. They don't need a. They don't need a material. It's fine. Okay. I'm sorry about that camera, the microphone stuff. We gotta remember. Render pipeline. Upgrade project materials. Yeah. Some material was not upgraded. I deleted it. Did I not? Because I not saved it? I not saved it? I didn't save it. Can I hide that? Clear. Render pipeline. Oh, nothing. Okay, cool. Now they're upgraded. I have the renderer selected. Be able to camera render to post-processing effect. Yes, I do. Stop NAN. This is starting to make me mad. Post Rendering. Pixel perfect camera. Light 2D. I gotta be able to use the lights now. Nope. Alright, so just watch the video. 2D lights.
One thing that has been a bit confusing the last couple of years, and we use it as a courses that you can using the script or later. At the time of recording this video, if you plan this here, is 6.7.1, and that is the version where these lights are first introduced, so you need to make sure that you're using this or later. To do that, you can click create.
Lightweight render pipeline is what I needed.
Comes because Unity has now created.
Ah! Wait, I think it was just changes to the universal unit render pipeline, but let me double check. Yeah, lightweight doesn't exist. Okay, so it was changed to universal render pipeline.
And voila! Now Unity will only render 2D lights. Of course,
Wait.
it's happening in
What?
LWRP asset and drag that in as our data, and voila! Now Unity will only render. So now forward settings for do this, we can select the LWRP asset that we just created, and here we have a bunch of settings for configuring lightweight. In our case, we want to change the renderer type from forward renderer, which is a 3-dimensional renderer, to a custom renderer. So now we have a slot where we can input a custom renderer. And this is where the cool part comes, because Unity has now created a 2D specific renderer.
Why is it
to use this,
so?
we'll go create, rendering, lightweight render pipeline, and
Okay, post processing. Post process data. What?